Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this retro camera effect on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so I'm in trending section. Slide right here until you see beauty. Okay, go there, slide up. Okay, until you see this image. This is the filter, retro. Tap on it. Okay, and this is the filter. And suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for retro camera. Okay, and on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see tap to try. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, likewise. And suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. So you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you can see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and in this page tap on record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on tap to try at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this retro effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.